Hello everyone and welcome back to Trivia Fever on this very special edition of the video. I am Priyadarshan Babu here and I'm here with some fresh brand new questions about current affairs in the sports world that happened today and over the past week. So without wasting any further time, let's start off with the questions. So here is question number 1 for today. On December 13th, 2015, he set the Asian record for the 10,000 meter race walk on a track. On November 15, 2020, he won the 10,000 meter race walk event at the Juntendo University long distance meeting. His timing you will be able to see in the image that I'm going to show you. So you can have a look at the image right about now. Now that you've had a good look at the image, all I want you to do is tell me his name. Moving on to question number 2, here it is. This swimmer won the gold medal in the 100-meter breaststroke at the 2016 Olympics. He is the current holder of the world record in 50-meter and 100-meter breaststroke events. He set the 100-meter world record at the Professional International Swimming League in Budapest on 15th of November 2020 by finishing in a time of 55.49 seconds by beating the South African swimmer Cameron van der Burg in Berlin 11 years ago. So I want you to identify this swimmer. That brings us to question number 3. So here it is. His middle name is Carl Davidson. After winning this event, he said, "A day that I will never forget." The reason for him saying this was he clinched his 7th World Championship and became the most successful racing driver with a masterful victory in the Turkish Grand Prix on 15th of November 2020 by equaling the record of Michael Schumacher. So I want you to tell me the name of this racing on the verge of becoming a legend. Moving on to question number 4, here it is. This golfer partnered with Jonas Biggs to win the 2017 Zurich Classic in New Orleans. His biggest individual success is him winning the 2020 Sony Open in Hawaii and the Australian PGA Championship, which he won back-to-back in 2017 and 2018. Name this player who conceded the lead to Dustin Johnson in the final round of the Augusta Masters that's happening right now. And just to help you out, you should be able to see an image of the person right about now. So that brings us to our last 3 questions. Let's count them down. Here is question number 5. He scored just his 2nd international goal as World Cup holders. France defeated the Euro champions Portugal 1-0 in Lisbon on 14 November, that was a Saturday, to secure a place in the National League finals. Which is this footballer that we are talking about? Moving on to our penultimate question for today, here it is. He is one of only 29 players to have ever made over 1,000 career appearances, winning 3 European Cups, 5 league titles, 2 UEFA Cups, UEFA Super Cup, an FA Cup and a League Cup with Liverpool. The last of his 665 appearances for the club was the victorious 1981 European Cup final. Which footballer are we talking about? And that finally brings us to our last question for today. So here it is. He is the highest ranked Greek player in tennis history. He is the reigning champion at the ATP finals and he is the youngest winner of the year-end championships at 18 years. Dominic Thiem beat this player on 15th of November, that is this last Sunday, in the Nitto ATP finals played before empty stands and avenged his 2019 finals loss. Which is this Greek tennis player that we are talking about? So that sums up our 7 questions for today. Thank you for tuning in. And just one quick update. I know it must be boring to read the newspaper or Google and get all this information. So all we'll be doing is covering the current affairs when it comes to sports. So if you want to know what's happening in the world of sports on a daily basis, all you need to do is watch my channel and watch my video. Thank you for tuning in. I will see you all tomorrow. Till then, stay safe, take care, good night, and all the best.